Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if JBL Tune Flex not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow charge earbuds. For this purpose, you have to place earbuds in the charging case. Connect the case to a power source using the USB cable. Charge for at least 2 hours. Verify charging indicators. Look for LED lights on the case and earbud. Lights should indicate active charging. If no lights, inspect the power setup. Clean charging contact. For this purpose, you have to use a soft dry cloth to clean the metal contact. Ensure no dirt or debris is obstructing the connection. Manual power on. After charging, remove earbud from the case. Press and hold the touch controls for 5 seconds. Check if LEDs turn on. Perform a factory reset. Place earbuds in the case. Press the touch control once, then hold for 5 seconds. LEDs should flash blue indicating reset. Check for physical damage. For this purpose, you have to look for cracks or other physical issues. Damage might require professional repair. Update firmware. For this purpose, you have to download the JBL Headphones app. Connect earbuds and check for updates. Install updates to address software issues. Contact JBL Support. For this purpose, you have to visit JBL Support for assistance. Inquire about warranty or repair options. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.